Practical USB-C to 3.5 mm audio adapter. The durable USB-C headphone adapter offers a simple way to stream music from USB Type-C phones, tablets, laptops to old auxiliary devices like 3.5 mm headphones, car radios, speakers, HiFi systems. Optimal HiFi sound quality. This USB-C to Aux adapter supports up to 24-bit, 96 kHz. With powerful noise reduction, you can get higher fidelity sound from this USB-C to Headphone Jack. Convenient inline control. This Type-C to Aux adapter supports all 3.5 mm earphones, and it can support inline control including volume control and calling. The USB-C headphone adapter allows you to control your music and take calls on the go. More everlasting durability. The nylon braided USB C DAC adapter is robust in build quality. Premium aluminum alloy material prevents scratches and rust, higher quality. Slim and portable, easy to carry around. Wider compatibility. The USB-C aux dongle fits for most USB-C phones, tablets, laptop, compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Ultra, S22 Plus, S21, S21 Ultra, S21 Plus, Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, S20 Ultra, S20, Note 10 Plus, Note 10, S10, Google Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, Pixel 5a, 5/4 XL, 4, iPad mini 6, iPad Pro 2021-2020, iPad Air 4, Air 5th 10, 9-inch, MacBook Air Pro 14-16, 10 Pro, 9 Pro, 8. Top reviews from the United States. Works great with my Note 10 Plus. I saw a review on the UGREEN adapter and took a chance on it. It works quite well both ways with my Note 10 Plus. Some other adapters I tried had mic circuits that were not compatible with my Note 10 Plus. 2 thumbs up.